we're asked to find the average. So we've got two students that's made 6. That's a total of 12 points. And then 4 made a score of 7. That's 28. And then 56. I'm just going to go through here and add these. And then 81 and then 30. So I am summing up the total amount of scores on the tests. Now add these numbers together. That's 10, 16, 17. Carry your 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 9, and 8, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total of 25 students. So we got to do long division. 207 divided by 25. There's a decimal right there. That's going to be 8. And that's going to give me 200. And then bring down the 0. And that goes twice. And that will be 50. And subtract. And then bring down another 0. And that's going to be 8. 8.28. So that's 8.3 when you round. So answer D.